Hi, my name is Daylin Miller, and I'm the Program Director of Total Health Conferencing. This tutorial video is intended to take you through our 2022 conference platform desktop version and show you how to navigate the live sessions and network with your peers and colleagues. For this tutorial, I'll be using a generic Total Health meeting as an example, but no matter what meeting you attend, the features and functionalities will be the same. Let's dive right in. Prior to the event, you'll receive an email with a link to join the platform. Once you click on the link to join, you'll be asked to enter in your email used at registration and create your own password. From there, you'll be able to edit your profile, accept the terms, and enter into the platform. We encourage the first thing you do is set up your profile. On the bottom left of the screen, you can hover over the picture icon and click on the down arrow and select Me. On this page, you'll be able to ensure all your information is correct and add any additional personal touches you would like, including a profile picture and a brief bio. You can also edit your accounts and allow other attendees to access the information you make available. If you do not want your email address to be shared with the connections you make, I'd recommend removing it from this page. Once you set up your profile, click Done, and you'll be able to log in at your convenience using the password you created. Now let's click on the Home tab. Welcome to the meeting. You're now in the virtual platform. This is the welcome page where you can watch the welcome video from our program chairs that explains the best tips to have a successful conference and quickly navigate to featured exhibitors and the non-CME sessions available during the meeting. Here, there are also quick links to our feedback survey and how to obtain your CME credits. Let's jump into setting your schedule. Head over to the Agenda tab. This is where you'll be able to see the full agenda for the meeting. From here, you can add specific sessions to your schedule to fully customize your experience. Just click the plus sign button next to the title, and the session will be added to the My Agenda tab at the top of the screen. If you see two sessions on the calendar at the same time, you'll need to choose which one you'd like to attend. Please note that our non-CME sessions are not available after the live session occurs, but all the CME sessions will be available for viewing after the meeting concludes. I do want to mention that you'll be able to view the sessions both from your computer at home, which we recommend using Google Chrome for the best experience, or on the mobile app, which you can download onto your device. When viewing the agenda, you want to make sure you're on the correct day. 15 minutes before the live session starts, you will see the Join Live Stream button appear. Click the button to join. When the session goes live, the video will appear here. As you tune in, we encourage you to ask your questions in the Q&A section on the right-hand side of the screen, participate in polls if available, and take notes. You have the ability to open or close the side panel if you'd like. You'll also be able to view the description of the session, see the speakers, and download files all within the Session tab. One of the great things about our platform is if you want to go to a different section, like check out the exhibitor booths or network with attendees while you're waiting for the session to start, or while it's live, the session video will stay with you on the bottom of the page. Once you've selected all the sessions you'd like to attend, you'll be able to view them in the My Agenda tab at the top of the screen. If you want to make edits, simply click on the check mark to remove the session from your schedule. Recorded sessions will be available for viewing on the platform the week following the conference. You'll want to pay attention to the Announcements tab, as we'll push out any important information you need to know throughout the meeting. When you have an unread announcement, a red dot will appear. Another feature you'll want to take advantage of is our Networking tab. On this page, you can search, sort, and filter the attendee list and select who you'd like to connect with. When you're viewing the list of attendees, you'll either see a Contact button or an Add button. Contact refers to an individual who hasn't logged into the platform just yet, and Add refers to an individual who has. When you click on the Contact button, you can send a personal message and they will be notified through email that you'd like to start a conversation. When you click on Add, that person will receive a notification within the Connections tab. They will then click on the Connection Request bell and accept or deny your request. If they accept, you'll officially made a connection and can now view their profile within the Connections tab. From the attendee profile, you can send a message, video chat, and view any accounts or links they've made available. You'll be able to access all messages on the Messages tab. You can think of the Connections tab as an address book of all the connections you made at the meeting, and the Messages tab as an inbox of all the conversations you engaged in. Throughout the day, please head over to the Exhibitors tab and select which booth you'd like to enter. Within the booths, you'll find helpful resources and information, as well as the ability to talk now with the available booth representatives. You can download files, watch videos, and request follow-ups, depending on what each company has displayed. Attendees will also have the ability to directly contact one of the representatives below by selecting their profile and requesting a follow-up specifically to that rep, or scheduling a one-on-one appointment if a link is provided. If you have any trouble or need any assistance throughout the meeting, you can visit the FAQ tab or chat with the live tech support on the Tech Support tab. We're excited to have you attend a Total Health meeting. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. We're looking forward to connecting with you in person or on the conference platform.